What are the health benefits of ketogenic diets? While the ketogenic diet has been around for a long time, many of the health benefits are only now being clinically quantified and scientifically established. The ketogenic diet is known as an effective tool for weight loss, and there is growing evidence to suggest other key health benefits are also experienced. So some of my favorite benefits are as follows. Number one, it improves the risk factors that make up metabolic syndrome. Number two, it lowers and stabilizes blood sugar levels. It reduces type 2 diabetes symptoms and reverses insulin resistance. Number three, it reduces inflammation and chronic pain from conditions such as arthritis. Number four, it helps manage autoimmune diseases and reduces symptoms of neurological conditions such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and epilepsy. Number five, it elevates mood and energizes the brain, reducing depression and anxiety while increasing focus and attention. Number six, stabilizes hormonal imbalances, improves energy utilization, and enhances physical and mental performance. Number seven, it slows or reverses the progression of cancer.